The Congress party has always remained stable. We have always said that if the mandate of the public is fragmented, and if we were never given an opportunity to form government despite having the single largest numbers of MLAs of 21, but we assure the public, come 2023, we will try our best to perform to the best of our capacity. We will try our best to reach out to the public in every nook and corner of this beautiful state. We are aware of the issues that are before us. We are aware of the issues of the ban of coal and its implication on livelihoods of the people of Jaintia Hills, West Khasi Hills particularly. We are aware of the fact that development in the road sector has come to a very dangerous standstill. The Congress, in the previous years of its service to the people of the state, has ensured that every road reaches to the last mile, to the last village, in the furthest corner of the state. We will continue to plan along these lines, and we will continue to assure the people of the state of Meghalaya that the Congress party is harnessing itself to continue its service to the people, irrespective of all of the distractions that we have seen unfold before us in the last 4 years. With these few words, on behalf of the Congress party, on behalf of the CLP, on behalf of the PP, of the district councils in the state, I wish the people of the state of Meghalaya a peaceful, a joyous, and a very fruitful statehood celebration against all odds, despite the pandemics and the applied SOPs. Please celebrate in your homes. Please burn one candle for your state on this day, so that we may all remember that Meghalaya will shine and continue to shine. Thank you. It is through the blessings of the Congress that this state was carved out of the state of the erstwhile undivided Assam. We have had so many chief ministers who have built brick by brick the state to what you see it today. To name a few, the founder chief minister, late Williamson A. Sangma. He was there in the helm of affairs for a good number of years, and it was through his initiation that several development programs and projects were delivered and brought to the people of the state of Meghalaya. We cannot also forget the contributions of late P.A. Sangma, the contributions of Ba D.D. Lapang, the contributions of Ba S.C. Marak, Ba J.D. Rimbai, Dr. Mukul Sangma. These are all leaders of the Indian National Congress. And in all of the 50 years of the existence of the state of Meghalaya, 35 years, 317 days of good governance was delivered to the people of the state of Meghalaya through the Indian National Congress. Some of the big institutions that need to be mentioned at the juncture before we celebrate our 50 years of statehood is the setting up of the NEC headquarters in Shillong. the setting up of the Northeastern Hill University campus in Shillong, the initiation of the Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences, or NEGRIMS, in Shillong. The leaders of the Congress Party also ensured that Meghalaya was able to further build on the first ever power project at Sonapani in those years. We must remember that it is the Indian National Congress that has seen it fit to further bring good governance to the doorsteps of the people by initiating the various districts, subdivisions and blocks throughout the last 50 years. Today, we can see that Meghalaya, by and large, has been able to serve the people of the state of Meghalaya, and we, as a party, extend our warm wishes to all the citizens of our state on the achievement that we have made together, marking its 50th year of existence. If you look down the line, it was the Congress Party that initiated welfare projects in various sectors of governance. If you look at the MHIS card, it was engineered by the Congress Party for the people of the state. When you look at the way the food and civil supply systems have stretched out to the entire nook and corner of this beautiful state, it is the Congress Party and its positive policies that has ensured that every citizen of India who is fitting to be beneficial of all kinds of food security projects, and today we are happy and proud